You're excited about Qiskit Fall Fest and are ready to use qBraid Lab for your event. Here's how to do that. First, go to account.qbraid.com and log in. Once you log in, this will be your qBraid homepage. Right here in the middle, click on Next, and this will give you the option to launch qBraid Lab. With qBraid Lab, you have the ability to choose what level of compute you need. You could use a free 4 GB RAM instance. You could test out our VS Code beta. You could use higher GB RAM instances such as Standard, Pro, and in fact, even launch a GPU with just one click. For now, let's use a free instance and click on Launch Lab. This process will take a couple of minutes, and if you're doing this for the first time, it might take up to 5 or even 10 minutes. Just be patient. Once Lab is launched, it'll open in your home environment. Here, you can see that you can click on the Environment tab on the right, and it'll make a list of all environments that are available to you. You can easily choose the environment that's needed for your use by clicking on Add Kernel. You can remove any additional environments by clicking on Remove Kernel. You are welcome to use any of these pre-built custom environments, such as clicking on Qiskit, choosing the version you need, and then clicking on Install. The installation process will take a couple of minutes, and once it's installed, you just go back, you add your kernel, and you're good to go. To start coding, simply open the file you need. You can use our Git connectors. You can navigate files from this Files tab here, or you can even create a new file in the environment of your choice. So for example, I can just create this Python 3 Qiskit notebook right from here. When you run a file, don't forget to change the kernel to the relevant one from this drop-down right over here. Once you're ready, look at that. You are good to go. Have fun and reach out to us on the Discord if you have any questions.